Money can lift your life or hold it back. Could one simple rule save you from 10 years of mistakes? Hard to believe, right? Many people are not rich, not famous, and not lucky. They have no savings, no plan, and no idea how to handle money. Some live in a small, simple room with just the basics: a fan, a weak bulb, and a shaky table. But they carry one strong hope: to learn how money really works. People say money rules are boring. Some say it's a waste of time. Others say to stop dreaming and just live like everyone else. But those who keep learning spend nights reading, thinking, and practicing, even when they feel tired or confused. They may not know if it will help, but they trust the process. Small, simple money rules can change life forever. Stay with us as we explore the rules that can save you from 10 years of mistakes. Let's begin. Save before you spend. Many people spend all their money as soon as they get it and feel sad when nothing is left for later. But one small habit can change everything. Save first, then spend. Even keeping 0.05 to 0.20 hours aside every time you get money slowly adds up over days and weeks. It may seem very small, but when you repeat this habit often, it becomes a meaningful amount that can help you in emergencies or future plan. Saving first also teaches you control over your money. It makes your mind calm because you know you already have something for tomorrow. When a sudden problem comes, like a small emergency or unexpected need, this saved money protects you and reduces worry. Your life feels safer, your future feels brighter, and you build a strong habit that helps you grow financially step by step. One small saving habit done consistently can build a strong life over time. Check every dollar you spend. Most people do not lose money in one big mistake. They lose it in many small ways. Tiny things like snacks, short rides, small apps, treats, or little extras may seem harmless, but together they quietly take away your money. Writing down every expense, even the smallest ones, helps you see where your money is actually going. This is very important because it gives you the truth about your habits and helps you stop wasting money without feeling stressed. When you watch every dollar, you take control over your money and your life. You start making better choices, like deciding which things you really need and which things you can skip. This simple habit can save you years of money loss, reduce stress, and make you feel stronger, smarter, and more confident about your life. Grow multiple income streams. Relying on only one income is risky because life can change suddenly. A job can stop, a business can slow down, or unexpected problems can happen. Having more than one source of income gives you safety and peace of mind. You don't need to start with big money. Even small ways like online work, tutoring, helping others with tasks, making crafts, or doing tiny jobs can bring in extra money. Earning just $1 to $3 more regularly can make a big difference over time. Extra income acts like a safety net for when your main income faces trouble. More sources of income also give you more freedom, reduce worry, and make your life stable. When one door closes, another one keeps you moving forward safely. Learn to say no. It is easy to spend money on things that look nice or make you happy for a short time, but most of these things are not really needed. Learning to say no is a powerful habit because it protects your money and your future. Saying no helps you think clearly before spending, and it stops small choices from becoming big problems later. Buying for fun may give you joy for just a few minutes, but can cause regret for days or weeks. Saying no does not mean stopping all enjoyment. It means choosing wisely and saving for what really matters. This habit helps you focus on important things, keeps your money safe, and builds control over your life. One strong no today can prevent many long-term problems and bring peace of mind. Develop new skills. Regularly doing the same work for many years without learning anything new keeps your income stuck. But even small new skills open new doors. Simple skills like typing, speaking clearly, basic computer use, small editing, or simple online work can help you earn more. Every new skill adds value to you. When you become more skilled, more people need your help, and more income opportunities come to you. Learning is like planting seeds. You may not see results in one day, but over time it grows into something big. Learning saves years of slow progress and helps you move forward faster. Build an emergency box. Many people live month to month with no backup money. Life feels okay until a sudden problem appears, like sickness, job loss, or broken items. Without emergency money, even a small problem becomes a big worry. That is why keeping an emergency box is important. You can start with a small jar and add tiny amounts like 0.10 to $0.50 whenever possible. This money grows slowly but becomes a strong wall of safety. When something unexpected happens, your emergency box helps you stay calm. You feel safe because you are ready. This habit brings peace and saves you from fear when life becomes tough. Keep a smart and good circle. The people close to you can help you grow, or they can stop your growth. Many people get money problems because they copy the bad habits of their friends. If your friends spend money without thinking, you may also feel pushed to spend like them. But when you stay close to people who think wisely, you slowly become wise too. A smart circle talks about goals, learning, saving, and better choices. This makes your mind clear and strong. Your circle shapes your habits, and your habits shape your future. If you stay with careless people, you may lose many years of progress. But if you stay with smart people, you learn faster and avoid many mistakes. This rule teaches you to protect your mind from bad influence and choose people who lift you up. Plan each month clearly. Many people hope their money will be okay, but without planning, money never stays in control. Guessing your spending always leads to stress and an empty pocket. A simple monthly plan can solve this. Write down your income, your needs, your savings, and your limits for each month. You don't need big numbers. Even knowing where $1 or $2 will go makes your money clear. A plan gives direction, like a small map for your month. Without a plan, money moves anywhere and disappears fast. With a plan, you save time, energy, and years of mistakes. Planning turns confusion into peace and helps you stay strong and ready for the future. Be patient, don't rush success. Many people lose money because they want fast success. They want fast profit, fast results, and fast growth. But real money growth is slow and safe. When you rush, you make quick choices that often lead to loss. Some people invest too fast, buy things too fast, or trust things too fast, and end up losing more than they gain. Being patient is a powerful rule. It means taking small, safe steps instead of big, risky jumps. Even saving $0.10 every day is better than chasing fast but unsafe money. Patience protects you from big mistakes that take years to fix. This rule teaches that slow growth is still growth, and slow steps build a strong future. Check your progress. Every month, many people want to grow, but they never check if they are actually growing. Without checking, you repeat the same mistakes again and again. Tracking progress is simple. Look at your savings, your spending, your habits, and your learning every month. Even writing small notes like "I saved $1 this month" or "I stopped buying extra snacks this week" helps you see real change. Tracking gives you motivation because you can see your steps improving, even if they are small. It also shows which habits you must fix. When you measure your progress becomes faster. This rule saves you from years of confusion and helps you build a clear and strong path forward. Start your journey to a better money life today by following simple rules. Small changes like saving a little every day, checking your spending, or saying no to things you don't need can protect you from years of stress and worry. Tiny steps taken daily slowly build a strong future, giving you peace, confidence, and control over your life. Liking and subscribing to this channel will help you learn more easy ways to make life simpler. And sharing this video with others can help them improve their future too. It is never too late to improve your money habits, and every small rule you follow today brings you closer to a brighter and calmer tomorrow.